everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm making a little breakfast pot, a Bircher, a mince pie Bircher or a Christmas Bircher or a spicy Bircher, something like that. And I'm going to serve it tomorrow, so it's the 24th today, 25th tomorrow, so we're having it for breakfast. We're also doing toasted panettone with whipped cream and chocolate spreads and jams and stuff like that, with a hot chocolate, loads of whipped creams and candy canes. But also this Bircher is probably the only thing that will sort of be a proper breakfast. So let's do it. So this is what you need: yogurt, either an ordinary cow's milk yogurt, a Greek style one works really well, or use a vegan one. This one is an oat one. It doesn't say gluten-free. There is another brand I tried to get hold of, can't remember it, that is completely gluten-free, but they didn't have any plain. You want a plain yogurt, but I'm going to use this anyway for me. And then for my gluten allergic child, I'm going to use the cow's milk yogurt at this time. Some oats. These are porridge oats, and I use the gluten-free one. Mince pie filling. I'm going to have about a tablespoon of this per person. If you don't have mince pie filling, then just mix up some currants, some raisins, some nutmeg, some peel, a bit more cinnamon, that sort of thing. Mix it up to a little paste. But if you have some extra mince pie filling, then this is what I use. And I'm going to show you how to make it for one person, because I do this quite a lot for myself. And yeah, extra cinnamon. I also love to have a cardamom pod, one per person. I'm going to use some vanilla powder and a squeeze of a clementine. So when I haven't got clementines, I've also used orange and even lemon. But you want something a little bit like that. So lemon works fine. I prefer an orange or a clementine, but you know, if you don't have it, then actually works really well. Per person, I would use 1 cup of yogurt.
Do I need to do something with these?
So 1 cup of yogurt, and I normally have half a cup then of oat. The plant-based yogurts I feel need a little bit of extra vanilla, so I'm going to use almost a teaspoon. The cow's milk ones doesn't need as much. Mince pie filling. I sometimes make this as a lunch. Extra cinnamon, why not? Tastes so lovely. And you know, cinnamon is one of those spices that actually fools you to think that you are eating something more sugary without sugar. And a cardamom pod. Take out the shell. Oh my god, that smells so incredible. And then a clementine, half a clementine. And mix it all up. Smell is gorgeous. Take a glass and pour it in. Try to not get it on the sides. I'm going to probably fail at this. Yeah, just like that. And before you serve it, what you could do is, if you have some mixed seeds, this is some mixed flax and chia, you could just put that on top if you want to. Certainly not needed. And then I'm going to do 3 more, put it in the fridge, and we will eat it tomorrow. And so here they are. I will serve them tomorrow morning, and they will taste really Christmassy and lovely. Mince pie, it's so sweet, and the mandarin, or you know, if you use lemon, it really gives that extra lovely taste to it. So yeah, So 2 different yogurts, vegan and non-vegan, you know, it doesn't really matter. The taste comes from everything else you put in there. So whatever yogurt you feel like using. Many times I've eaten it straight away without putting it in the fridge, so you can do that. It tastes a little bit nicer if you put it in the fridge. But yeah. Super yummy. And also a really good filling breakfast that tastes like a pudding. So super good for Christmas morning. Anyway, I hope you like this recipe, and please come back another time for a new video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you later. Bye.